Yes, very good morning, children. So now, today we have the math class again, and today we will be winding up this chapter, children. Only few pages are left in this chapter. So our today's topic is comparison of numbers. As you can see, we are taking this topic today because till page number 37 we had done yesterday, children. Standard and short form. Now let's start with this topic. So first of all I'm gonna read, children. पहले मैं आपको explain करूँगी कि what is the rule for comparing the numbers. Then we'll do the exercise based on this. Okay. So comparison of numbers, children. To compare two given numbers means to find which of the two numbers is greater or less than the other. So let's have a look on rule number 1. If a number has more digits, than the other, it is the greater of the two. Now what they are saying here, children, if the numbers, like I have taken two digits here, the first is 98 and the second one is 201. Okay, we have these two numbers, and now as you can see that this number, the second number, is having three digits in it. Okay, and this number is having only two digits. So here it is clearly you can observe that the number which is having more digits, that number will be greater than the other one. जिस नंबर में ज़्यादा डिजिट्स होंगे that number will be greater. अब देखिए यहाँ पे here we have only two digits and here three. So this 200 will be greater than this 98. Okay, so this is the rule number 1, children. Now let's come to the rule number 2. If two numbers have the same numbers of digit, then now here तो आपने देखा कि मैम इट्स ओके कि when we have two digit number and one is of three digit number, तो you can do the comparison easily. But what if, children, if the digits are the same? ठीक है, अगर कुछ डिजिट सेम है किसी प्लेसेस पे तो आप उसको कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे. नाउ कम टू रूल नंबर 1 पॉइंट. कंपेयर द डिजिट्स ऑन द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट. ठीक है, सो द नंबर, द डिजिट विच एग्जिस्ट ऑन द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट, जो सबसे लेफ्ट में नंबर होगा, पहले हम दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे. वंस डिजिट इन वन डिजिट नंबर, टेंस डिजिट इन टू डिजिट नंबर्स एंड हंड्रेड्स डिजिट इन थ्री डिजिट नंबर्स. सो the number with greater such digit is the greater of the two, and while comparing these two three digits number, the number which has the greater number, जिसमें बड़ा नंबर होगा, that number will be greater. I'll show you example. If the now come to the next rule. If the extreme left digits are same, compare the next digits to its right and so on. Now see. This is the example. Let us compare 612 and 485. Now see, children, both the numbers have three digits number. यहाँ पे दोनों जो number हमें दिए हैं, the numbers which are given, these two digits are having the three digits. ठीक है, इन दोनों में ही three digits है. Now start comparing at the hundreds place. Now start comparing from the hundreds place. ठीक है, from left. If I write number देख 612, तो 6 will be the left. ठीक है, सबसे एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट है हमारे, तो हम इससे हंड्रेड्स प्लेस से कंपेयर करना शुरू करेंगे. नाउ 6, टेक द 6 फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. आपने इसका 6 लिया, इसका 4 लिया. नाउ विच नंबर इज़ ग्रेटर? 6 इज़ ग्रेटर. सो यहाँ पे 6 इज़ ग्रेटर. सो 612 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 485. ठीक है, वी हैव कंपेयर द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट नंबर विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन दैट नंबर. नेक्स्ट, let us compare 547 and 574. Now these two numbers are having the digit same, but what is the difference, children? The places are exchanged. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वंस प्लेस पे कुछ और है, टेंस प्लेस पे कुछ और है. ऑल राइट, अब देखिए, both the numbers have three digits. Again first remember this, that both the numbers are having three digits. दोनों में ही 3 डिजिट्स हैं. The hundredth digit is 5 in both the numbers. Now in hundreds place in both the numbers 5 is there. It means hundreds place is same in both the numbers. So we compare their tens digit. अब we proceed to the 10 digit number. अब हम 10 digit number की तरफ आएंगे. Now here it is 4, it is 7 and 4 is less than, means 7 is greater than 4. So this number will be greater 574, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टेंस प्लेस पे बड़ा नंबर दिया है. ठीक, 100 प्लेस आर हैविंग द सेम डिजिट, बट टेंस प्लेस पे जो है हेयर इट इज़ गिवन 7, इट इज़ 4. सो 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 4. नाउ दिस नंबर विल बी बिगर. ओके, सो इन दिस वे we solve this exercise. Now compare the numbers and put the symbols or greater or is equal to smaller in the placeholder. Now compare the first digit, children. First line is 86 103. Now find out the difference. Here we have only 2 digit number. हमारे पास एक 2 digit number है. The next one is 3 digit number. So which number will be greater? It is very easy to find out. Do it in your book as well, children, along with me. मेरे साथ solve करेंगे. I'll check the work. 103 is greater. Now this is clear, I suppose. Now come to the next one. The next one digits are, children, 340 and 344. 340 and 344. Now here you have to do the comparison. अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको देखना पड़ेगा. So extreme left number देखेंगे, which is 3, which is hundreds place. So see here in both the numbers at hundreds place, children, 3 is given. ठीक है, दोनों जगह 3 दिया हुआ है. तो this place and this place are same. Now come and compare the tens place. Now here also it is 4 given, यहाँ पे भी 4 दिया हुआ है. So the tens place are also same. Now compare the ones place. Here it is given 0 and here it's given 4. So when we compare the 4 and 0, so which number is greater? Obviously 4 is greater. So this 344 will be greater now. Okay. You have to compare digits one by one. You have to compare places कि what number is given at what place. And in comparing that what number is greater, वही number greater हो जाएगा. Now let's do the next one. Here 756 and here it is 765. Now start doing it from the left, extreme left, children. Hundreds place 7 is given in both the numbers. 7 दिया हुआ है तो means 100 place is equal. Compare the tens place. It is 5, it is 6. So which is greater? 6 is greater. And at ones place it is 6 is given and here 5 is given. But at tens place 6 is given. 6 बड़ा है 5 से, है ना? So this will be 765. It is greater than 756. And the symbol which you are putting, children, it should be like this. ठीक है, नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू मेक इट, ऐसे नहीं बनाना है कि ऐसे बना दिया या लाइक दिस ऐसे, नो, इट शुड बी प्रॉपर इन शेप, ऐसे ही बनाना है, प्रॉपर वी. ठीक. नाउ डू द नेक्स्ट वन. 585 and 885. Now see 585. Start doing comparison from hundreds place. It is 5 given, it is 8 given. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So this number will be greater. ठीक है, हमें पहले ही नंबर को कंपेयर करने से पता चल गया कि मैम विच नंबर विल बी ग्रेटर. दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर हियर. 946, 964. So when you do the comparison, 9 is same in both the numbers. 9 दोनों जगह सेम दिया है बेटा. Here at tens place 4 is given and here it is 6 is given. So which is greater? Obviously 6 is greater than 4. So this number will be, sorry I have, okay first let's do, I have skipped one thing. ठीक है, ये 1 मेरा रह गया है. Let's do it. 657 and this is 649. So on hundreds place both the digits are same, दोनों ही same है. Compare the tens digit beta. 5 here 4. So this 5 is greater this. I hope you are getting the things clearly, and if you do have any doubt children, when I'll take the class I'll make this concept clear again. ठीक है, मैं ये टॉपिक दोबारा आपको समझा दूंगी, so don't worry about it. 703, 699. Do the comparison. Have a look at hundreds place. Here 7 is given, here 6 is given. So 7 is greater than 6. So by comparing only hundreds place, we know this digit ki which is the greater one. 577, 755. Now numbers are same. ठीक है, digits are same, but what is difference कि they have changed their places. यहाँ पे places change हो गए हैं, although the digits are given same here. 577, 755. So start comparing from the hundreds place. This is 5, this is 7, this is 7, this is 5, this is 7, this is 5. But when you see, अब आप कहोगे कि मैम 77 is greater than 55. But if you see that at hundreds place, here 7 is given. यहाँ पे 7 दिया है और यहाँ पे 5 दिया है. So 7 बड़ा होता है 5 से. 7 is greater than 5. So this number will be greater. Next is 840, 839. So which is greater children? This one. All right. And here 538, 583. So do the comparison and you will find that 583 is greater. Now these two exercise you will do in homework children. Okay, first row I have taken in the class. Now these two you will do it yourself. उसके बाद अगर आपको कोई problem होगी तो you will ask me in the next session when we have the maths class. I'll come just clear these things. Now come to the page number 4040 children. Put a ring around the smallest number in each row. Now numbers are given in a row. Few numbers are given, and what you have to do children here, you have to compare these numbers. आपको ये सारे नंबर कंपेयर करने हैं and find out the smallest number in single row. ठीक है, so whichever number is smallest, आपको you have to put a circle around it. उसके उस पे circle लगाना है like this. Now let's do. The first has been done for you children. 439, 394, 493, 349 and 419. So आपको सारे नंबर्स कंपेयर करने पड़ेंगे. तो स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फ्रॉम हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. सो हेयर 4, हेयर 3, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 3, दिस इज 4. So 3, 4, 3, 4 are given at hundreds place. Now start doing the comparison of tens place children. Here it is 3, here it is 9, here it is 9, here it is 4 and here it is 1. And at the last place, ठीक है, 9, 4, 3, 9 and 9. अब when you have done the comparing of tens place, जब आपने tens place का करा था तब आपने देखा था कि here it is 4 is giving. ठीक, और बाकी सारी जगह पे टेंस प्लेस पे बिगर नंबर इज गिवन एक्सेप्ट दिस. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 दिया हुआ है. नाउ दिस इज 49 बट यहाँ पे 100 प्लेस पे 4 था, इसलिए ये तो बड़ा हुआ नंबर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 3 है एंड हेयर इट इज़ 49, सो दिस इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, आपको ये सर्कल करा हुआ है. कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. 706, 670, 607, 760 and 577. Now start doing the comparison. 100 place को check करिए. So when you do this, then you will find, children, that here 6767 is given and here it is 5. So without thinking आप इसको सर्कल करिए. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा हमें सोचना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज 5 इज़ लेस देन 6 और 7. 6 और 7 से छोटा है 5. Now put a circle here. Here 856, 658, 685, 586 and 568. Now 856, is there any other number which is starting from 8? No. ठीक है, इसको निकाल दिया हमने. 658, 685, 586 and 568. अब कंपैरिजन इन चारों में करिए बेटा. Here it is of 6, 5, 5, here 6. तो ये दोनों भी हमारे कट हो गए. Now these two numbers are remaining. अब ये 2 नंबर रह गए, अब हमें इनमें सॉल्व करना है. So here 586 and 568. तो 5 is same in both the numbers. दोनों जगह सेम है. Here it is 8 and here it is given 6. तो टेंस प्लेस पे 6 आ गया, यहाँ पे 8 है. So 6 is less than 8. हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर सर्कल करना है ना, तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट को देखेंगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 8 इज़ गिवन, हेयर इट इज़ 6 इज़ गिवन. सो विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर नाउ चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो पुट अ सर्कल अराउंड इट. नाउ डू द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज 617. 617 इज़ गिवन. 716, 176, 96 and 167. Now this one is very simple because we have all the 3 digits number except this. हमारे पास खाली यही 2 digit number है, तो हम इसको सर्कल कर देंगे. This is the smallest one among all these numbers. The next one, 937, 973, 793, 379 and 739. So do compare beta. 564, 654, 456. Now here at hundreds place 4 is given. तो इसको और इसको आप देखिए. Just compare these two numbers because here it is 5, it is 6 and it is 5. So these numbers आर ग्रेटर. ये हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे जो नंबर है वो बड़े हैं. यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो 4 दोनों जगह सेम है. हेयर इट इज़ 5 एंड हेयर इट इज़ गिवन 6. तो 5 इज़ लेस देन 6. सो पुट अ सर्कल हेयर. आपने इसको सर्कल कर दिया. नाउ 440, 404, 517, 751 and 375. So do the comparison and you will get your smallest number here, that is 375. All right, so these 7 parts I have taken in the class. Now rest of the things you will do yourself. Comparison आप खुद करेंगे. And this is the on the next page 41. Here you have to find the biggest number. यहाँ पे आपको किसका करना है? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर को सर्कल करना है. On this page we have done the circle on the smallest number and here we have to do the circle on the greatest number given in a row. All right. So see 316. Rules will be the same. Rules हमारे same रहेंगे. First compare the hundreds place in both the number. पहले आप क्या करेंगे? 100 place को compare करेंगे. फिर if you find the digits are same at hundreds place, then compare the tens place in both the number. And here you have to do the greatest. So आप बड़ा number देखेंगे at tens place. Which number is greater given at tens place? तो आप उसको circle करेंगे. One has been solved, children. 495. 549, 945, 594 and 954. So now do the comparison in this row in all the numbers. Now 4 is given, 5 is given. This is will be cut. Here it is 4, it is 5. Now compare among these numbers. Here 5, here 5. तो ये भी कट कर दीजिए. And now here compare the number in these two, because here at hundreds place 9 is given in both the number. दोनों जगह पे 9 दिया है children. And at tens place 4 is given here and 5 is given here. So here we are doing the greatest number. तो 5 is greater than 4. 5 बड़ा होता है 4 से. So this is the biggest number in this row. Okay. Now next is 469, 694, 496, 946 and 964. So start doing. Here it is at hundreds place 4, 4. तो ये तो हमारी रेस से पहले ही निकल गए. Now compare these three. 6 is given, 9 is given at hundreds place and 9 is given. Now 6 is less than 9. 6 छोटा है 9 से, तो ये भी हमारा निकल गया बेटा. Now do the comparison between these two numbers. Here it is 946 and here it is 964. So when you do the comparison, you find that 9 is same in both the place numbers. दोनों जगह hundreds place पे same number है. ठीक है. Now come to the tens place. अब tens place को हम compare करेंगे. Here it is given 4, here it is 6. So which is the greater? 6 is greater than 4. So this will be the greater number. Now next is 123, 321, 231, 412 and 402. So tell me which is the biggest number here, children. Which is the greatest number given in this row? Here it is 1, 3, 2, 4, 4 at hundreds place. So these are less. 1, 3, 2 are less than 4. 4 से कम है ना, तो इनको हम रिमूव कर देंगे. नाउ दीज टू नंबर्स आर रिमेनिंग. तो हम इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे. 4 इज गिवन, 4 इज गिवन. नाउ टेंस प्लेस 1 इज गिवन, 0 इज गिवन. सो विच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट? 1 is greater than 0. So put a circle around this. This is the 12 number and it is here given, I suppose, yes, 2. Okay, this is 402 and this is 412. So this will be the greater number here in this row. ये हमारा greater number होगा. Next is 124, 427, 247, 745 and 750. So compare the numbers, children. In this number at hundreds place we have 4, we have 5. तो 5 is bigger. ये हमारा skip हो गया. ठीक. अभी हमको comparison किन चारों में करना है? इन चारों digits में, numbers में. Now here it is 750, 745, 547, 754. Here 5 is given at hundreds place. इसको भी हमने कट कर दिया. Now do comparison between these three numbers. Now in all the three numbers we have same digit at hundreds place. हमारे hundreds place पे सब जगह सेम है. 7 is there. ठीक है. तो हमारा नेक्स्ट रूल क्या होगा? वी कंपेयर द टेंस प्लेस. अब हम टेंस प्लेस को कंपेयर करेंगे. हेयर 5 इज गिवन, हेयर 4 इज गिवन, हेयर अगेन 5 इज गिवन. तो यहाँ पे 4 दिया है चिल्ड्रन, तो ये भी हमारा आउट हो जाएगा नंबर. एंड इन दीज टू नंबर्स नाउ टेंस प्लेस आर ऑल्सो सेम. 100 प्लेस भी सेम है, टेंस प्लेस इज ऑल्सो सेम. नाउ कंपेयर द वंस प्लेस. Here it is 0 and here it is 4 is given. So So 4 is greater than 0. So this is the greatest number in this row. Okay. Now next is 903, 815, 851, 930, 913. So according to the rules, what you have to do? First, let's have a look on the hundreds place in all the digit numbers. 9 is given, 8 is given, 8, 9, 7. So ये हमारा skip कर देंगे हम लोग because here 7 छोटा है बाकी सारे नंबरों से children. 8, 8, 9, 8 and 9. So now do the comparison among these 3, 4 numbers now. So here you can see that we have the same hundredth place. 8 is given, 8 is given. So do the comparison between tens place. 1 is given, 5 is given. तो यहाँ पे 1 आ गया, 1 छोटा है हमारा 5 से, ये भी नंबर निकल गया हमारा. Now which is remaining? Here 903, 851, 930. Now 8 is given at hundreds place and in these two numbers 9 is present at hundreds place. तो ये भी हमारा स्किप हो जाएगा चिल्ड्रन, इसको भी हम स्किप कर देंगे. अब इसको भी कट कर दिया मैंने. Now we have the 2 digits. One is 930 and the next is 903. So now start doing the comparison. Hundredth place are same, tens place are different. One is having 3 and another one is having 0. So which is the greater, 3 or 0? Obviously 3. So this will be the greater number. Okay, 930. And now these parts you will do yourself children. अब ये parts आप अपने आप करेंगे. Okay, I hope the things are clear to you. See, due to some network issue, some technical issue, the online classes couldn't be possible today children. So when we will have the next turn of maths, I'll revise this concept again. ये मैं दोबारा revise करूँगी so that the things may be clear to you. Okay, till then just stay safe at your houses children and do the work and submit it on the given time. Alright, so this is all from my side children. I hope the things are clear. Okay, yes, bye children.